All right, so I've been running this Timney trigger for a little while now. I'd say there's probably about 3,000 rounds through it. And what's starting to happen is the reset is having issues and it's starting to get real slushy. So, like, it's almost like you gotta really like squeeze it into the back for it to get to go. And then the reset is just having issues. So I'm going to be swapping it out today with a agency arms trigger that I picked up from Freedom Firearms. So we're going to go with something like this. This is pretty nice. It's even polished, so I don't have to polish anything. With Timney, they recommend you don't polish anything. They also recommend you don't change any of your springs. So I'm gonna use a stock spring setup, and we will see how this goes. Okay, so we have it swapped out. The wall's very nice. It's just there. To the wall, crisp break. It's not mushy at all. The reset is what feels really good. It pushes you forward. It drives you forward. So my Timney was not doing that.